Here at Abstract, we are big believers in emerging technology. We also think a business card should speak for itself. No, seriously, it should speak for itself.
I'm Brian Bogus, president of Abstract. After years in the industry, we have noticed that companies are utilizing traditional.
We can also add some cooler elements into the experience. This technology is not only for marketing, but it can be used for operations and training. If you want to find out more, go to abstract.tech, and if you want to experience the app in person, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Search Abstract Augmented Reality. Enjoy.